Do it. Me not stop you. Me not stop you, but make sure say no guy will go tell people say I'm me run you out, you know. But everything good. Me support anything you do. You want to leave? Leave then. Me no care, you no care. You want to find somebody else?
Yeah, we go find somebody
It's that
else.
simple for both of we.
As I'm at your fat, I come back for me.
You come back. You not leave yet. Baby, what you know? Please. You really are left? After everything.
And then let us say we must do.
So if me tell you if you jump in the fire, you go do it. If me tell you if you drink off some my juice, you go drink off all light. Baby, stop be foolish, man, and come back. Come back. Me alone can't raise the picking in there.
I'm so happy that you came over. I've been waiting for you to come over all day. I'm spending all this time clean. What?
You see that? Your pets.
No, I don't have any pets. I used to have a cat and I had to let it go. I hate pets. But anyway, so yeah, I was in here straightening up all day. I had to make sure everything was presentable for you, you know.
Yeah, you not see that? Yeah, you see that?
No.
You sure?
Why you come on, you know you play so much. Why are you playing? There's nothing in here. There's no pets in here. Anyway, do you want to sleep over tonight?
No.
Why?
I'm good.
What do you
Nah, man, later. I two of them.
Me a mad somebody. Yo, take up. I'm mad, me a mad out. I'm mad, me a mad out. Can I get it? Can I run out of my dog? I'm mad, me a mad out.
Bossy, me have some bad news.
Every day is a bad news with you, Noah. So what is it?
Well, burial blow away ark.
Well, if burial blew away the ark, that means it wasn't good in the first place.
So why next move?
I don't know, Noah. I really don't know. And I know everything.
Oh my God, how you sound so grumpy?
Well, if you spent less time chasing figures and more time working on the ark, it would have been built properly.
See, look how long me stop run down a bag of tickers. I Jada Kxng alone me a run back.
Every day you forget that you're married.
Married? How are that?
Do not play with me!
A little joke me a run, Bossy.
You Jamaicans take nothing seriously.
Oh, Bossy, me take it ark serious.
Noah,
Yeah?
shut up.
Alright.
I am very disappointed.
Jaja.
What?
Sorry. Bossy.
I think you need to go.
So, what you want me to do about the ark? All the animal them blow wet too, you know.
Figure that out on your own.
Alright. Oh, yeah, Bossy. I beg through me and my wife did a chat you.
That me I tell you, brother, if you want my shoes in my you, me get make you go bust it on them. I pay them no man, no dog. If you want weed, me buy a pound of weed gear in the dog. Brother, if you want my girl, me gear my girl for fuck her, brother. They say it there. You feel a joke? They say you like. Watch her. Okay. You see that? Pussy fat though. Anytime you're ready for fuck my girl, make me know, dog. That's for the support, that's me assure. Bro, and that is all I need. Only support. Yeah, that. Cause two of the things set right now in the dog. My man is not bad man, but I be a bad man. Cutlass in a link in the dog. Nah, run left here now. That me I tell you, daddy, the thing different now, daddy. The man can ramp with you like how them usually.
Give me every blood clot, bumper ass clot, punani, pump, pussy clot, everything. Where say I do the right thing now?
So, oh, you say you're a thief and you don't even have no gun or knife or rob me nothing with. I say you just rob me unarmed. Yo, you're bait, you know. Yo, you're bigger bait than me, brother. I should have your face them thumping. What you do right now, no make no sense. Me I tell you. Oh, look clap. Joker.
Come on, relax yourself, Bentley.
Just a come from the machine, I'll be a fly them give me. Just don't kill me for that, please. Me I beg you.
Phone, man.
Phone, just don't take my life, please. Me have 2 hands here, me can't dead.
Relax yourself, man. Calm yourself. Me now make a deal with the answer, man. Relax yourself, brethren. Respect for food, same way, you know. Yeah, man. Respect, see. Dog shit, boy, man. I should shit up your blood clot, sir.
Accident.
You're batting on a man has to blood clot.
You pull out the gun. You pull out the gun and frighten me, so that's why that happened.
Me nobody want rob your blood.
You sound it,
How are you for? Where you last?
You don't hear that sound, dog?
You hear it too?
Yeah.
Me hear it now. I show me to watch.
Oh.
Yeah, me watch Planet of the Moon.
Oh.
Yeah, they drop new series, you know.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, you can't show you look at your underage.
Oh. I'm gonna ask you a question though.
Eh?
What you do on the fridge stop?
Oh, cause me no want to interrupt your movie.
Oh.
When you interrupt me now, me have to go start all the way back over again.
So why you have to start all the way? You can't continue?
No. Vibes broke.
Oh. So you can come down off our fridge now, though?
Not right now.
Oh, why you can't come down right now?
I'm not in the position.
Oh.
Yeah. You can go on now, yeah?
Oh, alright.
Yeah, me I continue watch my show.
Hey, oi! Oi, Massa, what you do?
How you see me I do, Master Jasper?
Man, move your dirty bumbo clot from me girl pussy clot them. Your dirty bumbo clot them when you not even wash out good.
I hear a pussy clot line.
And me put up that for me woman hang out her pussy clot them.
So where blood clot I do pan there?
Man, and my pussy clot line and me can't put up any amount of blood clot me want put up there.
Man, you see period? How you do with that blood clot?
Yo, hear me I say, me ain't no bumbo clot argument with you. What you just say?
Me really know what me just say.
Say it again. Say what you just say. Say it.
How what you do with that blood clot?
Me no in no bumbo clot argument with you.
Over no pussy clot line.
Blood clot.
Blood clot. Pussy clot. Bumbo clot.
Boy, me now go run there, no, this look like, you see, run 40,000 and go 50,000 to start out. 1 second. Yeah, man, take your time, man, do what you do. Hello, daddy, hello. How are you there? Me there at work. Oh, me here said 2 batty man get shot up that side there, so me just a call to see if you're alright. What you say a while ago? Me say, me here said 2 batty man get shot up that side there, so me I wonder. Don't play with me. Do not play with me. Me look like somebody if you play with. Don't ramp with me, man. I will kill you. Yes, daddy. As simple as just me, I will kill you. I will cut you up with your daddy. Don't play with me. Play with your friend them. Play with who are you are Kumbolo. Me and you is no Kumbolo, but Batty man. Alright. Oh, you put your hand through your phone. What you say? I am sorry, daddy. Hour. And I will never do it again. Oh, do not play with me. Sorry about that, sir. Now, I am trying to say that it will take around 40,000 to 50,000 to get rid of this problem, because I would now have to rod the pipe, go straight back out to the main. Me didn't know. Me tell you, say you should ramp with your father, Japet. Him is not somebody for ramp with. Oh, now you get what you look for. Pussy did pop your neck. No, sir. Stop on them serious joke with your father, Japet.
Are you Jesus? You're my cousin.
Yeah, this is the man who been telling me about.
Me this, yeah, man. Can't you just hear me, Charlie?
You dead ass right now?
Over, man.
You dead ass right now, bro?
No way I doing a Charlie.
Bro, I'm not jacking this shit right now. I'm not
But
jacking
they
this
kind of
shit
tight
right
now,
now.
now. Burn up for them,
Bro, he's getting tight, bro. Why is he
Who are
getting
get tight?
You are getting tight, bro.
Who are get tight?
Suck my dick, nigga.
What's the man this?
Suck my dick, nigga.
And the money I'm pouring.
Bro.